extreme croc adventure. You guys will get a good selfie with them as well.
Where is he?
He's just up here. I'll get a little bit closer. Now he's usually a very shy crocodile, as you can see. He likes to, as soon as we get too close to him, he'll go under the water. Well, that's him there. Now Zont, he was caught up in 1981 down in Tully as a cattle killer. He was actually killing cattle off a family called the Zonts.
He's moving.
That's how he got his name. Yeah, hopefully he doesn't come up to the boat to try and feed. Alright, we'll park over here.
baby 啊，那第三这条就跟你差不多大。
Alrighty, let's see if this croc will come back over.
是个 baby 啊。你去看吗？你是找到再去看吧，找到再去看吧，不要。一起过去吧。那个前面去看没关系。就刚刚前面的地方。 让它跳起来吃东西那个感觉。
Any questions while we wait for a crocodile to come over?
Now maybe you need to make some more vibration.
Maybe. Come on! There is a croc sitting right over there.
Yeah, that's the one. Come, buddy.
Come on!
Maybe they are not hungry at all.
We got
They are
some,
pretty well-fed crocodiles.
Yeah.
we got some
But in
chicken.
saying that, they are opportunistic feeders, so they'll take any chance they can get to grab a bit of food, even though, even if they're a bit even if they're full. Sorry. I'm really hoping Zont doesn't come up to the boat.
We got some chicken and some people on the boat for it.
不会吧？ 我要尿，你
Come on!
要等一下，等一下，要等一下，我们晚上不能尿尿。那你不能尿尿，有鳄鱼。
My gosh, lazy crocodile. I'll go to it then.
一等一等啊。等一下啊。没事啊，爸爸找找看有没有瓶子啊。没有瓶子的话，我把这个水喝掉，这边点。好，不行，你等一下啊，等一下，爸爸喝掉。怎么了？尿尿啊，这个尿尿。
No, don't swim away.
Yeah, he's coming under the boat.
That's just poke his head up. I think he wants a bit of food.
这边给你喝掉吗？我喝不掉。
Just
先
go
喝
up
了
a
备
bit
用嘛，
further,
万
because
一
I
他
think
等下
Zont's
吃
right
了
over there now.
那妈也喝点。
He's this little one.
水在里面给他去摸吧。 好了，
Hey.
要不带他到后面来，还是就这样？没关系，就这样拿。没事。好了，好，不用喝完，有一点问题。
Oi. Have that back, please.
看了，不用看。
Free, please.
还要等先去看看。
Fluffy! Come on, Fluffy! I'll go up a bit further because that croc just buggered off. There is one crocodile that I know will feed. She hasn't got a feed in a while.
几百万点。
Sita crocodile.
Fluffy! Come on, Fluffy! Fluffy, come on! Oprah! Come on, Oprah! Any questions while we wait for a crocodile?
She's behind you.
Is there one behind us? My gosh. Who's that?
Big one here.
Big one here.
Oh, on the
This is
side.
Shock Girl, I believe.
Side.
Let me try and get her on this side.
Wait.
你不要往前走啊。
Come on. Come on, Shock Girl.
把它引过去。
I'm just going to lure her over to the left-hand side real quick. Just so these guys can get a bit better look at crocodile.
去外头那边，去刚刚那个地方。
去刚刚那里。
对，我们去刚才那个地方。
啊，站那里。
让爱迪生在前面，爱迪生，
Alrighty, do this.
你让爱迪生在前面。
Come on, Shock Girl.
Oh, yeah.
Hear that jaw pop? It's just displacement of air, same as when we clap our hands. Just on a much larger scale.
茱莉亚，
Come on, big jump.
对，好好好。
Alright, a couple more, and then we'll have to head back in. There's another good one. Turn around. Two more. Alrighty, one more. Should I give it to her?
One more, one more.
You want to come back up, honey? We need to jump out of you. Shane, fish in. Give that back. Spit it. Any other questions while I try and get this bait? Crocodile? Who's that? What the hell? Who was that? Thank you.
Oh, there.
Alright, one last try. Look, girl. Turn around.
穿鞋呀，
Turn around.
放在地下穿鞋。
Bit of camouflage now.
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, should I give it to her?
Yeah.
Alright, you can have that. Everyone gets to see a crocodile?
Yay!
We all enjoy that. Yeah. Alrighty. Now the next thing you guys have on is that